huge.
This is quite a thing.
This is bigger than yours.
I think mine is. It might be bigger than mine. Yeah. Whoa, this is a huge kitchen.
So it's all hardwood. So it's the same under here, like all totally refinished hardwood floors. No, this is sunroom storage, or you can do whatever you want with it. And then this gives you easy access to outside. Awesome.
Oh, and a view of a pool.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
The neighbor's pool.
I know. Like,
The neighbor.
that's great.
It's pretty cute.
I love it. Oof. Ooh, so sorry about that. More closets? Okay. So basically
For
they're...
luggage and stuff, you guys can absolutely just, there's big stalls downstairs.
Cool.
So.
Cool.
Okay, so...